Hello, this is Asa Leveaux. I am testing this out because I have not done this in quite a while, so I'm going to make sure that this is working. So 1 second. Let me make sure it's working. Okay. Now that I know this is working, let me see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to take Canva and work that for your benefit if you are an entrepreneur. So what that often looks like is, as entrepreneurs, you don't always know how to make things just look aesthetically pleasing. And when you're starting out, you just don't have a lot of money. Like, let's just be honest, you don't have a lot of money. A lot of people, now that may not, if that's not your struggle, that doesn't have to be your struggle. But if you can hear me right now, just say hello. Like type hello so I can know that you're hearing me, because I don't want to do the entire training and then no one heard anything. So if you can hear, please type something or send a thumbprint or a heart so I can know that you I can definitely keep going. All right, so I'm still waiting to see if somebody, okay, so Lois says hi. So if Lois says hi, that means people can hear me, which is awesome. All right, so we're gonna go to a new window within, I use Google Chrome. So I'm gonna go to Canva because that's what we're gonna talk about. We're talking about canva.com. Now, this is a free resource. So we're gonna go to canva.com. And so I'm going to show you, the whole point of this is to let you guys see what's available. And I'm already logged. Now you can go to Canva and you can set up this totally for yourself. And it's free, totally free. So as you can see, I'm a part of different things. Let's see, even for something that I have coming up called the Black Business Expo. So I was even able to create the logo for the Black Business Expo, as well as different social media graphics. Also, I was able to use canva.com to even create my sponsorship package. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of that. So let's go to logos that I've created. So let's go to so this is the Oklahoma Black Business Expo. And let's say let's just create one. That's one thing that everyone wants to do. Everyone wants to usually create a logo. So I'm going to go up here at the top portion. You can create different designs. So as you can see, you can create a social media, and social media is important because social media, a lot of times people have distorted images because you are trying to use something that was made for an Instagram and you're trying to put that like as a YouTube graphic for a video that you've done, and that just doesn't work. Or you're trying to use something that was made for Twitter and it's not looking as great because you're taking what was made for Twitter and using it as far as Instagram. So that's why Canva can help you with that, to make you have platform specific things, okay? But what we're gonna do, because a lot of entrepreneurs, when they first start out, they are very much concerned with, how do I get a logo done? So let's go there. So as you can see, so you have some recommended options for you. You have social media posts. You can create documents, and yes, I created an entire ebook. Yes, entire ebook in Canva. I can show you that. If you want to do some covers to your blogs and your ebooks, that's a little bit further. And then we have marketing material. And in the marketing material, as you can see, there's logo. So we're going to click on logo. Oh, I see Tashana's on. Hey, Tashana. And if you guys want to share this with people that are having some difficulties just now in entrepreneurship, feel free to tag them. Feel free to share this as a way forward. As you can see, it doesn't cost anything. You're on right now, and they may benefit from this. So on the left, as you can see, there are different options that you can pick for logos to the left. And in the bottom of these images, they say free, but there are some that you pay for. Now, the ones that you pay for, those, as far as those templates are concerned, those are only $1, like $1 to use. So this is very cost effective. But someone who's watching right now, someone give me I'll do a logo. I'll do a makeshift logo for anybody who wants one, who's watching right now. If you can tell me your company's name and the colors that you want. I'm gonna wait. So if somebody can tell me the company name that they want me to do this for and the colors that they want, I'll create something really fast just so you guys can see what that could look like, and to the benefit of you all that are watching, so you can see really how truly seamless this really is. I'm still waiting patiently for a company name and company colors. That's what I need to make a logo for one of you guys that are watching. Oh, and again, this is Asa Leveaux of Genius Academy. If you just don't know, or you don't even know how to pronounce my name, it's not Asa, Asia, Asa, none of those. It's Asa Leveaux and not Leveaux. It's Asa Leveaux. All right, so I see Tashana, you have Flirty and Fit Pink. So because you have Flirty and Fit Pink, I'm just gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with the logo on Canva here. And I actually know of Tashana. Tashana is a dance instructor in Oklahoma City. So now that we are here, I'm simply going to double click and I'm going to put Flirty. Flirty, apostrophe in pink. So I don't think she wants that. She wants it to be one. Okay, gonna make that a little bit bigger. How about we do 36 and just keep it? Okay, so let's say we change this NYC to OKC. And literally, now if Tashana wanted this, this could literally be Tashana's logo of Flirty in Pink OKC. Now, all you have to do is you can share this and you can download it. So when you download it, when you download a logo, it is imperative that you always know that you need to have a transparent background, okay? Transparent background. So I would click on transparent, but I can also save this as a JPEG, a PDF that needs to be printed, or even this is something experimental that they're doing right now, make this into an animated GIF, okay? So I have different options. All right, so that's the logo. Something else that you guys, let's look through a couple of mine. Hopefully they're safe. If you know anything about me, you know that I dwell in many different types of circles. So hopefully when you see something that I have on here, it's safe, and it might not be. Just FYI. So I have to be really, really particular about that. Let's see. Or I can just go over here. Actually, yeah, let's go to the Black Business Expo. I like the fact that we have actual folders on the left, so you guys don't have to see something that you don't want to see. All right, so this is the sponsorship packet. So let's double click on this. Yep, this is exactly what I want. So I'm going to play with this, and so I'm going to create a copy of it so I don't mess up the original, because I did really good with this. Okay. So for those of you that are having events and you're looking like, how do I get sponsors? Well, this can actually help you with your sponsorship deck. So what are you giving people? What can they download to actually see what the sponsorship levels are? Okay, so this is what you can create in Canva for free. You can totally, I made this for free in Canva. I understand if there are graphic designers out there and all that, that may reside in a high level of viscosity because I am giving this information, but that's okay. There is enough, because just because someone is using Canva doesn't mean there's somebody else who wants you in a bigger project in a bigger way. So don't worry about that. It's just a tool. There's still money for you to get. If there are any questions, I can see your questions. If you have any, please type them in and I can respond to them. All right, so Canva, as I told you, I'm bringing something called the Oklahoma Black Business Expo, and I needed a sponsorship deck. But for this particular thing, because this is the first year, I didn't have a large marketing budget, because why? I hadn't got any sponsors yet. So that's why I did this. So it's loading. I apologize. It's loading. So give it a second and it'll come back. But I'll talk about it a little bit more. So as it's loading, just know that, oh, yes, I'll wait. So this was created, and it was created within 1 hour. Okay, and I am not a graphic person. Okay, I am not someone who knows about Adobe Photo. Like I don't even have any access to any of those programs. So if you see me doing a graphic, it's because I used Canva. It is rare, very rare for me to hire a graphic person outside. However, I have, and I like them because I understand my capacity. And that's important for all of us to understand. Understand your capacity when it comes to creating anything ever. Okay. It's still spinning. This might not work, and that's okay, but it might not work because it's still giving me the circle of death up in the corner, as you can see. So what I'll do is, okay, this is what I'll do. I'll go to the actual, I'll let you guys just see what I did. So I'm going to the Oklahoma Black Business Expo, the website. When I go to the website, I'm going to pull up the thing that I created in Canva, because right now it's giving me a circle and I don't like that circle. Okay, so I scroll down, or I can just go to, I can scroll down, it's okay. And I have really good Wi-Fi right now. Like, this is legit Wi-Fi, so I don't know why this is not working out as great as I want it to work out. But that's okay. It's not that deep. So yes, as you can see, we actually do have sponsors. Oklahoma State University, Oklahoma Army National Guard. They said yes because we actually had an actual sponsorship deck that looked great. Let me see if this is still working. Okay, so become a sponsor. I'm gonna click on this button. And it's going to take me to the place where, see, yep, great. Become a sponsor, and I click download here. So the moment they click download, they get to see what I created in Canva. I don't see any questions coming up, so that's why I haven't answered any. But if you have one, please let me know. Okay, so the sponsorship deck, this is what it looks like. So those images, how did I get those images? I Googled those images. I wanted to look for, of course, this is the Oklahoma Black Business Expo sponsorship package. So what did I want to do? I wanted to find pictures or images of Black people. So I Googled them. And so these are images that came up. So as I'm going down, okay. So yes, so we talk about the actual event. We talk about the expo. It has, it's uniform. So there's this footer at the bottom of the page that you see that says OklahomaBlackBusinessExpo.com, powered by. That's on every single one. Again, every sheet looks the same. That's imperative that it looks the same. So yes, this entire packet, from nothing to something, was created. Even this page, yes, even this page, which is where they actually select what they want, this was created in Canva. So let's go back to the actual Canva page. And yeah, I can actually scroll down now. It's allowing me to reload the design. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know, what was available to you. If you're interested in having something for yourself, you want images that mean a lot to you and that actually showcase your brand, the brand that you're building. You want to showcase that better. This is how you do that. If you have a very, very tight budget or no budget at all, and it can come out looking actually well. If you go through my Facebook and you look at just the different flyers that I've done or that I posted, the majority, unless it's through someone else, I've done them, and this is how I created them. So Beverly says, great tutorial. I use Canva for my ads, sales sheets, and Facebook page covers. Yes, they really are good. And yes, I use them for my sales sheets as well. Let me see if I can get off of this. But yes, if you're wanting more information, please contact me. You can message me or you can call me. Yep, you can actually call me. 405-446-8265. That is the number here. And if you are someone that is struggling in entrepreneurship or you're facing challenges and you just need some assistance, there are two options. You can go to openmybusiness.co. That is openmybusiness.co. And there you can sign up and get $1 trial for your first month, and you can read all of what's available for you. And if you want to work with me individually to help you with your creating a strategy for your first or your next $10,000 in business, please let me know and we can make that happen. Well, that is the end of the tutorial. Please remember that you can totally feel free in tagging someone or sharing this at your leisure. And as always, I am Asa Leveaux. Dreams and blessings.